Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. The S&P 500 was up almost 0.25% today. No changes on our signals today. The market really was responding positively to news coming out of the UK that their inflation was starting to cool and starting to come down some. They've had quite high inflation that's been pretty stubborn here for quite a while. We saw the bond market rally here and around the world on that news. Of course, we're seeing inflation cool here. We'll see what happens next week when the Federal Reserve gets together. Very high likelihood, according to the market, that we'll have a 1/4 point increase. So we'll see how that plays out. But the Dow Jones today had kind of a long winning streak altogether, and we haven't seen this many days in a row up on the Dow for the last 4 years. So that's pretty good. We're at a 15-month high now on the S&P 500. Those are good things. So we continue to move forward as far as that goes. I would say, looking at the charts here, that we're pretty stretched out to the upside. Not too surprising. We saw, $45 billion poured into U.S. equity funds last month, according to the Bank of America report, which is a big number. We haven't seen that in over a year. So we're seeing buying, we're seeing, probably institutions coming in here. So you're going to get some stretch, you're going to get some, PE ratios that maybe don't make some sense in this type of environment. I wouldn't worry about it too much. I do think that, as I mentioned before, kind of stretched our rubber band too much, you're bound to have some kind of setback here. I wouldn't be surprised to see that over the next couple of weeks or something, where things kind of cool off and settle down. Especially as we head into this Federal Reserve meeting to see what they have to say, and whether they're going to surprise us with something, in terms of what they might say, I would suppose would be the main thing. So that's what's happening today. Not a bad day. Good time to be in the market. A good time to be an investor. I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you.